Oh, na, na, na. Oh, na, na, na. Oh, na, na, na. The rain still falls on empty streets like it remembers you and me. Footsteps fading in the night, two silhouettes under fading lights. We said goodbye without a sound, no broken plates, no crashing down. Just quiet eyes and trembling hands and things we'd never understand. I thought that time would let you go, but every shadow seems to know you're in the silence in between. Every space I've ever been, there are echoes between us still, running through the quiet hills. Every word we never said, still repeating in my head. I can hear you in the dark, like a fading fragile spark. Give her over, tell me why your memory won't say goodbye. Return to the guitar. Your sweater hanging by my chair, like you might walk in any second there. The coffee's cold, the night is long. I play our favorite ever-forgotten song. Maybe love was just too calm, too safe to ever feel the storm. We built our walls so carefully, we lost the fire between you and me. No slam doors, no tears to show, just quiet hearts afraid to grow. We let the silence draw the line between your world and mine. There are echoes between us now. I don't know where, I don't know how, but every room I'm standing in feels like where you've always been. I still feel you in my veins, like soft and distant summer rain. If love is gone, then why do I still you every night? Maybe we were just too slow, watching all the feelings go. Maybe we were meant to be a beautiful memory. If I could turn the clock around, I'd let my breaking heart make sound, instead of choosing to be strong and losing